Okay guys, so today I'm going to show you how to make CB radio on KineMaster. First open up KineMaster. Now open the video what you like, guys. Now press the video what you want. Now extract audio too many times. Okay guys? So you're gonna So you're gonna extract audio too many times, like a lot of times. And I'm gonna do seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and finally done to 0. Okay, now we're gonna preview, but one sound is off. Now let's preview. Okay, preview time. Oh, too loud. Okay, yeah, that was too loud. Keep it down. Hurt everybody's ears. Okay. Okay, guys. I had to turn it down because it was too loud. This is how you make CB radio. If you want to say goodbye CB radio video voice changer, or goodbye compressor, or goodbye compressor loudness CB radio music speed changer, you can do KineMaster CB radio extracted audio too many times. Now go to YouTube, your channel, upload, manage. Select more media. The effect. Press next. Now type in the title. Result, guys. See you in the next video. Bye. Oh, okay. I'm feeling so dizzy right now. Oh, okay.